Good morning. Well, hello. Another beautiful day on the Appalachian Trail. Today we are hiking from Forest Road 293 back to Mountain Harbor, and then we're going to spend the night there again. Nice trail today. Didn't have to start up on a big incline or decline. Just nice even trail. We should see some waterfalls today, which will be fun, and I will show them to you when I see them. And today we have a new member of our hiking group. We have me and Just Try, and then Splat, who is Just Try's original hiking partner. So all three of us are hiking together today. And it was very nice of Splat's husband to drive us out to the trailhead this morning to do our 13 miles today. Last night I had to take some Advil because I had some knee and leg pain. One of my calves is very tight. It's very strange. So I don't know what's going on with that. Here, rushing water. Maybe our first waterfall will be coming up soon. Ooh, look at these big rock formations. Rocks in through here. I think it's going to take us another, I don't know, anywhere between 5 and 7 days to get to Damascus. I think it's going to be closer to 6. Just because we're doing slightly over 10 miles a day. So, and it's at mile marker 470, and we're at 295 today. So we're at 475, or sorry, 75 more miles to go until Damascus. Oh, and the other thing is we should hit 400 miles today, which would be exciting. I hope somebody put something on the trail. I'm sure they will. I think I saw on somebody else's video a big 400. Oh. All right, I'm going to show you some of the trail. Here, turn you around. All right, there you go. So Mountain Harbor, we had their breakfast this morning. Oh, holy camoles. Mountain Harbor's breakfast. They had everything. French toast and souffles and quiches and bagels and homemade donuts, and oh man, it was so good. Oh, they had watermelon and hard-boiled eggs. So good. Definitely worth the $15 we paid for it. I slept well last night. I got a little cold, but I just put my quilt over top of me. They asked you not to do that, but I was like, that's just too bad. Because there was no extra blankets. But to me, it was better than sleeping on the ground in my tent. But it's a raised bed. Oh, there is a waterfall down here. It's the first waterfall. Isn't that pretty? Come over here and take a picture. Quick video, everybody. Check out the waterfall. Isn't that cool? That is so cool. A minute. Runs down here. Sure is pretty. Alright, that's it for now. Look at that. This is Jones Falls. Alright. So, thought I'd tell you what a great day today has been. Slackpack number 1, fantastic. Had a very good breakfast today. Let's see. Felt really good today. Of course, who wouldn't if you're not carrying 30 pounds on your back? But the terrain is nice, so I really like it a lot. Let's see. Oh, met one of Rascal's. Rascal is a very good friend of my daughter Tara, and I think she lives in Burlington, Vermont, and she helps Tara with a lot of her adventures as well as Tara helps Rascal. They go on a lot of adventures together. But Rascal is such a sweet girl. Well, today was walking and Rascal, or this girl, had just dropped my pack on the side of the trail, went up to use the bathroom, and I was coming back down to my pack, and there's this girl kind of walked by it, looked at it, and then was looking around. And I thought to myself, oh, she's wondering where the person is that belongs to the pack. So I waved my hands at her and I came back down. She was, hi, what's your name? And I said, it's Omi. And she said, oh, I have a good friend, Megan, who is Rascal, and she said that you might be starting, we might cross paths at some point, and that you had a maroon pack, and to keep an eyes out for you. And so, just like that, somebody that I didn't know, that knew somebody else, that knew my daughter, and met her on the trail, had a very nice conversation, and it was so nice. It was just things like that just happen. It's just amazing. And then saw a bunch of falls today. I'll show video and pictures of it. That was so pretty. And then what was the next thing that happened? Hit 400 miles today. Wow. Can't believe it's been 400 miles. Crazy. It's been 400 miles. So exciting. Whew. All right, I got about 3.5 more miles to go till I get down to Highway 19E, and then back to the hostel. I'm going to have a cold Coke or Pepsi and a bag of potato chips. Then I'm going to go to bed early tonight because I'm tired. Whew. Switch back up here. All right, since I'm walking up a hill, I'm gonna let you go and we will talk later on. Whew. All right, see y'all later. Whew.